So all it takes to open this thing is 2 Phillips screws on the back and the whole top comes off. I paid a guy 60 bucks to come out when I first bought this thing to take the top off, and I had a leak and all he did was just fix the clamp on the hose. So save yourself some money and check it out first. It's only 2 screws, so these 2 screws are out, and as you can see, this whole panel just comes off. Or, well, yeah. Try and do this left-handed, that's smart. But look at that. 2 screws and you have access to everything. So this is the top, looking down in it. And mine's having the no drain, the ND signal, so I'm gonna pop this probably open, and I'm gonna pop this open and see if I can't find the clog. I actually don't see the pump unless it's part of this, or I've seen it on other models maybe. No, it looks electrical. I don't honestly know. Probably should have looked into that harder. But it's telling me that there's a clog, so I'm just going to do the clamps that I can get off and open without getting too crazy. And see if I can just spot either gunk down in it or like a sock or something. I'm hoping it's something super simple. Probably debris of some sort somewhere. The top, that I thought was maybe water pumping out of there, that's exhaust. So I'm not going to mess with that. I'm actually going to go to the back of it and take this panel off. It looks like there's only 2 screws, so hopefully it's nothing too crazy, and hopefully I'll get access to the pump and the drain out. So I found what I was after. There's the pump right there. Oh, I'm no expert, but I'm going to say that's the pump. And that looks like the drain out cord right there. So got a bucket ready and some rags because it was filled with water and it wouldn't drain. So I'm gonna actually pull this open and pray a ton. Oh, you know what? I need pliers for that. Or the husband. That's hard to open. But I think that the clog is supposed to be either in one of these 2. Well, no luck on finding a clog. I took these 2 hoses off, and yeah, and then I stuck my finger down in the impeller and gave it a twist, and it feels fine. I didn't get practical, but I found one. Okay, sweet. Okay, so I think my next attempt is I'm gonna take this big part. I'm gonna have to use this screwdriver, and it's got a pressure clamp with a screwdriver, so hopefully that's not a pain in the butt. But I can't find like an obstruction. There's a little bit of debris, nothing that crazy. I'm gonna take that off and maybe I'll find a sock or something in there. I don't know. So I did not open up that last clamp. Actually, where the big opening is, it's really soft and squishy. So I just squished around in there good, and I couldn't feel anything in there. So I'm pretty sure that it's not clogged. If anything, it's the pump. But I twisted the propeller or the impeller a few times and plugged everything back in, dried everything out. There was a lot of water in there, so dried everything out. I had it unplugged, of course, and now it's going. Hopefully it makes it through a quick wash just to see. And then I'm gonna take baking soda, vinegar, and run it on the hottest thing because the inside of the tubing was pretty gross. My husband's a welder, and so we have black grinding dust just everywhere. And we have pets, so I think that's part of the problem. So maybe it just needs to be cleaned out really, really good, but I don't think there's a clog. So far you can hear it. Actually, you can hear it draining. It's draining. I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it pretty good. So, I don't know. I hope my pump's not going out, but either way, if you have this machine and you've had, when I first bought it, I didn't really know anything about it. I had a leak and I called the guy and he came and charged 60 bucks to take 2 screws off the top, and then it was just one of those fast clamps. And the clamp had just come off the hose. Nothing was broken. The clamp just wiggled it off the hose. So hopefully if you get anything from this, it's just that it only takes 2 screws on the top back to open the top and get the top off, and then down in the middle there. It's only 2 screws to get that off, so hopefully this helps you if you just need to get into one of these things. I think I found the problem though. Hopefully it's working. So thanks for watching. Best of luck.